Hi everyone, welcome to Code with Zod. In this video, we will be taking a look at how to create QR code in our Flutter application. Before talking about dependency, let's see our current code structure. So here we have created one stateful widget and two variable, one to store data, another one is to store image URL. Below we have created one text field in which we will take the user input and we are storing it into the data variable and setting the state for the same. For QR generation we will need one package which is QR Flutter. This is the package, so let's add it. Now as it's added, we will call one widget which is QR image view, which takes data as in param. This data is coming from text field. It also takes embedded image property and it is a image provider, so we'll pass network image and then the image URL. You can pass asset image as well. We can customize the style of this image, so embedded image style, QR embedded image style property, and then size we can pass, let's say 50. We can also customize these many of the property. Before that we'll just restart our application to see the QR code generated. So let's type something, subscribe to Code with Zod. So now as you can see, for this particular text the QR code has been generated. We can customize this eyes property as well and this data styles as well. So this is the data and this is the eyes of the QR code. So let's try to customize. So eye styles, QR eye style, it takes one shape. So let's pass QR eye shape as in circle. It also requires color, otherwise it will show blank image. So we'll just pass the black color. And the data module style, so same way QR data module style, it takes module shape, data module shape as in circle, and then the color we'll pass as black. After reloading, as you can see, this is the circle QR code being generated. So yeah, this is how we generate QR code in Flutter. If you found this video helpful, hit a like button. If you want to learn more from me or on any topic, hit a subscribe button and drop a comment on which topics you want to learn.